Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80860010 while trying to log into a Microsoft Store application, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first one is to check the internet connection speed, because if that is low then other options don't matter at all. Search for fast.com in the Windows search bar and open fast.com. Check the internet connection speed here. The next solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command wsreset and hit enter. This will restore the Microsoft Store cache and restart the browser. And finally, you can re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a command for this. I'll show it to you. Okay. I'll actually share it in the description section of the video. It will make things easier. Simply copy this command. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.